I'm Claudia Souders. I am the president, director, and office manager of Gardner Heating and Refrigeration in Pine Top, Arizona. I was most impressed by Adam showing up to our business. That is something that we've never experienced before in the industry, and something we've talked about, my husband and I, often, is that it would really be nice if someone would come to your site and teach you these sales skills in your environment. And that has been a breath of fresh air. Adam's professionalism, we were surprised he was so young, and yet he is so knowledgeable. And he showed up in a suit, which is unusual for our area of the country. We're very casual up in the mountains and the woods. And yet he carried it off beautifully, and everybody accepted him well. He got along great with the staff. And he was able to pinpoint very quickly what our strengths and weaknesses are and how to work with our personnel in the most efficient way to get done what we need to get done. And he identified right away that our biggest problem is we're selling too cheap. And we kind of knew that, but we didn't know how to get around it because it's a competitive market, and my guys have a tendency to take no as no. But Adam showed them by actually going on a sales call with my selling service tech how to sell a job with his system. And Tony swore we would not be able to sell this job. And not only did Adam sell it, he sold it for about twice what we would have gotten for it if we'd have even gotten it. We were members of Airtime 500 for quite a few years. And then we also have attended some courses with Weldon Long in Colorado Springs. And both of those, we came away with some good information, and we learned things and made changes. But none of them offered what Extreme Closing offers, and that's Adam coming to your place of business and implementing changes on site. And that was just over the top, and that was tremendous for us. We needed that desperately. Our bottom line right now is non-existent. So anything would be an improvement, but I really and truly am excited about implementing the sales techniques and the new pricing structure that Adam has taught us. And I think our bottom line is going to skyrocket. I really do. We've not made a profit in several years. And I'm looking forward to not only being profitable this year, but doubling or tripling our business next year. I would absolutely recommend Extreme Closing to anyone in the business. Like I said, the biggest thing is that Adam does come right to your site, and that makes all the difference in the world. He's able to evaluate personalities, strengths and weaknesses, and pretty much custom design a remedy for your ills. Instead of just generalized information that you could have to take in and absorb all at once, and then it's up to you to implement it when you get home. He decides while he's here what best implementation will work for you right away. And that's why I would highly recommend, get him to your place immediately if you're having any issues at all. Or even if you're not and you just want to be more efficient or better, or raise your level of closing, increase your bottom line, whatever it is, if you're not doing things perfectly, Adam can help you. If you're on the fence about bringing in a consultant, my husband and I had to really do some soul searching to commit to Extreme Closing and Adam coming to our site. It was money that we could have used to pay off some bills, but it wouldn't have paid off all the bills, and it wouldn't have kept us going for the rest of the year. So we made the conscious decision to go for the long haul. And we are so glad we did, because it was money well spent, and I would not take it back for anything. Adam is worth every penny and then some that he costs you to come to your site, because it truly is customized training. Yep, I'm done.